Hi there, Daniel here from Sussex Campervans. I'm giving you a quick update on where things are up to with us. We're just at the start of the government pre-Christmas lockdown to fight against the coronavirus pandemic. And so of course, we've got to follow the government guidelines. We're not welcoming new visitors here to see our stock of campervans at the moment. We are continuing to do click and collect. We're handing over campervans that have been ordered and that are being built and finished. We're continuing with our manufacturing. Of course, we've got all the social distancing and sanitation measures in place, as you'd expect. If you see a campervan that you like that we're offering for sale, we can offer click and collect to you too. And we're continuing to offer the really popular Sussex Campervans virtual visit. Now with the virtual visit, if you click the link below, I'll tell you all about it, but essentially you can have the Sussex Campervans experience from the comfort of your sofa. We'll arrange with you to have a video call, show you loads of things, even prepare a quote for you. You can even buy on a virtual visit and then click and collect and come and pick up your campervan from us, even during this lockdown, in line with the government guidelines. Of course, all being well, from the 2nd of December, we'll be allowing visitors on site again, and we're already taking bookings to come and see us in December. And we're taking orders for Easter sort of time delivery for built to order stock at the moment. If you'd like to give us a call, do so on 01403 336369. You can email hello@sussexcampervans.com. We're offering a Monday to Friday office hours service at the moment. We're not going to be answering those emails and things on a Saturday for the month of November, but do get in touch. We'd love to hear from you. And hey, why not have a virtual visit? I think you'd really enjoy it. Take care, keep well, be blessed, and see you soon at Sussex Campervans.